What is up? What is up? Mr. Crazy 1870, and check that out. The all new Apple Watch Series 6. Now I did roll with the Apple red color. I have two more coming in next week. I have the Apple Watch SE, and I also have another Series 6, I think bluish color, and I think that one is, it comes with the Apple Loop band, which I'm really looking forward to testing out. But I really had to get this Apple red one. I want to check out the actual color and pretty much show you guys what it's all about. So let's go ahead and open this up. Got the little fancy tab right there still. They didn't take that one away. Go ahead and open it up. Got your famous little two tabs right here in the corner. Go ahead and open that up. I think I opened this wrong, but it is what it is. So got the Apple red logo right there in the center. I'll go ahead and put that to the side. So first off, we do have the actual band. Pretty much same standard band, nothing new, nothing major. So this is I think the sports band with the stainless steel pin. See if I can open this up. All right, there we go. So here we have the all red sports band, two sizes. Obviously I'm gonna use the larger size because I have a big wrist. Let me go ahead and show you how this looks real quick. So that's the sport band right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. So let's go ahead and jump right into the main attraction, which is Series 6. There we go. So in the box we have the same standard paperwork, product red information, quick start guide, how to get things up and running, pretty much all your important literature. We also have your charging cable. One thing to note is that you're only going to get the charging cable, you're not going to get the charging brick, because they do not include that anymore. So you better either buy a separate one or have one laying around, because you don't get one with the actual purchase. So this right here is the charging cable, what you're gonna have to plug in your power brick in order for you to get power through the cable. And here we have the Apple Watch. Comes with a all red sleeve. And man, that red color looks really, really nice. Go ahead and give you guys a closer look at that. Check out that red color. Looks really, really nice. Check it out. So now if we look at the back, you can also see the new blood oxygen sensors, which is one of the new features on the Series 6. Let me go ahead and remove my band from my Series 5. Right. It's all dirty. Let's see if I see any differences. So yeah, I do see differences on sensors, obviously. Let me go ahead and give you guys a closer look. So this one right here is my Series 5. Oops, almost drop it. All right, so quick side comparison. So maybe you guys can see a little bit of difference on the sensors. So obviously the red one is a Series 6. and this one right here is my Series 5. All right, so here I am all set up and ready to go. Now if you watch closely, it's not a full-blown red on red combo, so it doesn't, like, I mean, it is a red on red combo, but it doesn't kind of blend in. The band is a little bit on the lighter side, and the actual casing is a little bit on the darker side. Nonetheless, I still think it looks pretty dope, but if you're looking for a full-on balanced color, it's not it. It's a little bit, the band again is a little bit on the lighter side, but the casing is on the darker side. I mean, it's red, it's definitely gonna stand out. I'll go ahead and throw it on real quick and give you guys another little demo. It's a really nice color. There's no doubt that, you know, this red color is gonna stand out. I mean, it is gonna stand out when you're rocking it out and about. So if I give you guys a quick little comparison, so you guys can see, you probably can't tell the difference on the Series 6 and the Series 5 besides the actual, maybe the actual color. Everything's pretty much identical. The crown, the buttons are both located in the same area. You got the two same cutouts on the right hand side, and obviously the screen, obviously they're both the same size. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, and I've been wanting to try out the blood oxygen new sensor that comes with the Series 6. Go ahead and test it out and see what it's all about. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. Let me see where we at. There we go. So I just launched the app. So I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I had a couple misfires. I don't know, maybe my right hand is not, it's probably too tense or whatever. So I switched it to my left to kind of, I don't know, just to try it out on my left side, because I feel my left hand is a little bit non-tense, unlike my right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just test it out again. So here we go. So start. All right. All right, so for some reason my right hand seems to be a little bit more tense than my left, but we got a reading. So blood oxygen level 95%. Let me go ahead and just read this. So this gives me some information on the percentages and whatnot. So blood oxygen level of 95 to 100. Your blood oxygen level can vary throughout the day. So most people have blood oxygen level. So pretty much, I guess, I'm assuming it's pretty normal on a good side. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit done. Let's go ahead and do another one more time. So 1 minute ago, 90, what is it, 95%. Here we go, one more time. Start. There we go, so 96%. Let's do one more time. Start. So 96%. So it's on there. 95, 96%. It didn't vary all over the place, so I'll take that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit done. So apparently there was an earthquake about 2 minutes ago. I didn't feel anything. If you guys felt something, leave them in the comments section down below. But moving forward to the blood oxygen sensors, it worked pretty good. I tried them 3 times. It went from 95 to 96, and I got a reading of 96 2 times. So again, at least it didn't go too low or too off in general. So I'll take that. You also have the all new Fitness Plus app, which is a paid prescription, and some new watch faces as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and cover that in the full review. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Check out the links down in the video description. Check out the site lunitech.tv.com if you want to follow me on social media or even contact me. You can go ahead and do it through there. So that's pretty much it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.